Severe thunderstorm watch.
While severe weather should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet
Dang.
for the latest severe weather information.
Dang! My God!
Here is the National Weather Service.
Dang! Dang! Oh my God! Alright, I'll tell you the story. So I'm just sitting down here. I'm sitting downstairs having lunch, right? And then I hear buddy, da. Ran upstairs like a cheetah and then literally saw it was a watch. Oh my God. Jesus.